This is the Dark Devil men's canvas shirt from Daniel Smart Manufacturing. Rugged, bold, and built. Let's start with the build. Crafted from durable black canvas. Classic snap-down collar. Every stitch tells a story. Heavy-duty reinforcement stitching means this shirt isn't just built. Storage where you need it. 2 snap chest pockets. 2 outside hand pockets. Secure, comfortable, and easy to reach. Locked in with snap closure cuffs. Reflective panels on the sleeves light up when headlights hit, keeping you visible on the road. Strength meet durability. YKK front zipper. Hidden under a heavy-duty snap placket. 2 deep hand pockets for extra storage, because every biker needs space for the essentials. Inside, we've got a white paisley-style mesh liner. This is the Dark Devil men's canvas shirt. Get yours now at danielsmartmfg.com.